Here we go, guys. We're at Area 51 Fireworks in Pahrump, Nevada, and we're about to see what they have.
Hello, welcome to Area 51.
Hello, how you doing?
Been here before?
I have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you warehouses, straight back double doors?
Yeah. And then it's buy one, get two free.
It's with the green tags, buy one, get two free of that certain product. If you want 3 different products that are green tag, it's 1/3 off each. The yellow signs are as is the price.
Sweet, so you can mix and match.
You can mix and match.
Sweet. Awesome. Saturn missiles. These are better Saturn missiles, I think, the crackling. $25 and let's buy one, get two free. Oh, look, this looks pretty tight. Missiles, $50. These firecrackers are always fun. Not bad. Dang, Moon Travelers, $30, dude. Crazy. The cheaper ones aren't much cheaper either. 28 bucks. Look at this, dude. Slice and dice, baby. Big value. These are all, they're fairly expensive. Star shooter. Some candles.
Is anything nice so far?
Just the crackling attack, the little Saturn batteries. Yeah, they're like, I think they're like $5 and you get 3 of them. Not bad, you know. But this is their wall back here. This is the good stuff, dude. Like they have like the best prices up on that back wall. So $38, $60. So
Assortments. These ones are just
pretty expensive, guys, for the rockets. $230 for this set right here. Some candles. The candles are decently priced. $13, not bad. I like these ones though. Alien candles. They're $20 though. Blue Thunder is really tight. But I want to come back here because this usually they have like the 70% off wall right here. I don't know if they're doing it, but $30, $10 a cake. It's not bad. Evil clown. These are each. Some bombers. B-1 bombers. Plane flying at night. Oh, gang blasters. Oh, these are sick, dude. Gang blasters are sick. Spring butterflies. This seems pretty cool. Drone attack. Choppers. Brown balloons. Get a case of them. These are like becoming really popular right now. And they're cool, guys. These backpacks are pretty sick. I tried the ones that Outlaw has and they're pretty fire. These are just like novelty items. Sword of Soldiers, pretty cool. So I believe this is all their safe and sane stuff. So 160, you get 3 of them. Encore presentation is 250. This is the last one that they have right here. Alien Fun. It's for 1 to 100. So they have like more fountains and stuff over here.
I saw some cool stuff. So they say they are and they're not re-ups.
Growlers?
Yeah. These things are, I recommend the shells.
Yeah.
Just, also Cody B recommends these, and
Yeah.
whatever Cody B recommends, I
So artillery shells looks like it's going from like $50 up to like 62 for the regulars. 6. The kit. Damn, this is huge. 16 shells. Excalibur is going for 120 out here. 160 for the Excal Platinums. Smoke and mirror. So they're about like 120. We got 135. The Growlers. Those are sick. So they're 500-gram cakes. Over here they're about $100. Some of these are buy one get two free though. Over here they go up to 210. So you can get some from 100 to 210.
What was that?
The green ones, yeah, they're buy one get two free, and then these ones, the yellow ones, they're just whatever the price is. You only get one. Yeah. And a lot of these cakes I personally haven't tried, guys. 50s. So there's some 500 grams over here too. So it looks like they're about $60 for like their 200 yard. Oh, look at Junkyard Dog. It's the mini version of Junkyard Dog, guys. This is tight. $50. Okay, so after this, I'm gonna put the camera down. I'm gonna start shopping, and then I'll let you guys know what I get. I just want to keep you guys updated on prices. There it is, guys.